Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can unlock your screen lock on Infinix smartphone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here you have to move on setting. If you want to unlock your screen lock, after from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling and here you can see the option of this security. So friends, here you have to click on security. When you click on security, the first option you can see is to screen lock inside the password and biometrics. So friends, here you have to click on screen lock. When you click on screen lock from here, the first option is that you have to confirm your screen lock. So here I confirm my screen lock. After confirming, here you can see there is many options. Okay, so how you can unlock your screen lock is the first option is the none option. So just click on none. When you click on none, here you can see delete screen lock. So if you want to unlock, right, so here is the option. A button protects your phone if lost or stolen. It protects, but you want to unlock, then here just click on delete. Okay, and here your screen will be unlocked successfully. This is how you can unlock your screen lock. Okay, you can set your swipe lock also. Just click on the screen lock, then after from here you can set the swipe lock also. This here is the swipe lock, and if you want to set the swipe lock, you can swipe. Okay, and if you don't want it, you can click on remove option, unlock option. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.